Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see about external CSS. Already we have covered internal style sheets, inline style sheets, and external style sheets, right? So to implement external style sheets, we need to use the link element. We need to use the link element, right? Inside the head section. These are the important points we need to remember how to implement external CSS, right? So, and our target is same to implement the style sheets for our HTML page, right? Let's straight away work into our coding part. So, already in previous class, I have used internal style sheets, right? This is the internal style sheets. But now I try to implement the external style sheets. I already told you by using internal style sheets it is more advantageous than inline style sheets. The reason is if I define the style tag, if I define the style in information under the head section, then automatically that style effects will apply to all the tags which are defined inside the body section. That is the main advantage. So if there is no internal style sheets, then I need to add for each and every tag style attribute, right? I need to add each and every tag as a style attribute. But by defining style tag, there is no need to add the style attribute for each tag, right? But even though suppose if there are 500 500 pages are there, then what we will do? So I need to open each and every page, and I need to write down this complete code. I need to write down this complete code in 500 pages. In such situation, internal style sheets will not useful because it is very time consuming. So for that, what I need to do means I need to depend upon external style sheets. So external style sheets main advantage is if I want to apply the same styling effect for multiple pages, many number of pages, then I need to depend upon external style sheets. So I simply remove the styling effect and I save it. Let us check in the browser also, right? Let us check in the browser. It is, I refresh it, right? This is the normal HTML page, right? So how to define external style sheets means I need to create a I need to create a I need to create a page with an extension of I need to create a page with an extension as style.css, right? So in that style.css, paste it I simply paste it the particular code, right? So for h1 tag, this particular effect need to apply. For body section, this particular effect need to apply. So for some of the ID username, this particular effect need to apply. For select, this particular tag. For input, this particular effects need to apply. So I simply define. You observe carefully, there is no any kind of style tag which we have defined internal inside the HTML. There is no need because I simply give an extension as .css. .css stands for cascading style sheets, right? So I simply save it. Now I need to link I need to link this style.css in my HTML page, right? For that straight away I will use for the straight away I will use I will use this tag link element rel relative is equal style sheets and type equal to text or css href href is equal to my style.css, right? I have saved it as style.css. I simply remove my style, right? Just save it and straight away refresh it. What happens? Automatically apply the style sheet style effects, right? So in earlier, what I did, I written inside the head section a many number of this number of lines of code. I written inside the head section and in earlier, that is called internal style sheets. But now a single line. So if there are 1,000 lines or 10,000 pages, suppose 100 pages, 1,000 pages, whatever it may be, simply I will open each and every page. I will simply paste this particular line of code. Then it will save a lot of time. That is the main advantage of external CSS, right? This is the simple information, right? So I think you got it. What is the advantages of external CSS, right? Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.